Okay, so we're getting ready to put the pilot bearing, this baby, in there with that tool. But something I noticed that I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. There's an O-ring in that. It's not on the other side. So that O-ring, according to the one that came out, goes out. So it kind of acts like a grease seal to keep the grease you put in there from coming out. You know, you put a little bit of grease in there before you put the transmission in, not a lot because it'll hydraulic, but then you push, then that seal will seal onto the transmission shaft and keep the grease in there, is my guess. So we are going to attempt to do this, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this camera. So, this is nothing more than a heavy driver. Make sure I got my O-ring right. And make sure we're getting that put in kind of square. Oh yeah. Smooth. Alright, you hear that sound change? That's when it was flush. And now we have a pilot bearing. Get you one. 20 or 30 bucks on Amazon. Do it right.